Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Webflow site to a GoDaddy domain. First, you will need to prepare your Webflow project by adding your custom domain. Then, we will update the DNS records within your GoDaddy account. Finally, we will verify the connection to ensure your website is live. This process involves a few straightforward steps to get your site online. To begin, navigate to your Webflow dashboard and select your project. Go to the project settings, then click on the Hosting tab. Scroll down to the Custom Domains section and add your domain name, for example, yourwebsite.com. Webflow will automatically generate the necessary DNS records, including 2 records and 1 CNAME record. Make sure to copy these values, as you will need them shortly. Next, log into your GoDaddy account and find your domain under My Products. Click on DNS to access the DNS management page. Here, you will add 2 records. For both, set the host to the @ The points to values will be Webflow's IP addresses, 75.2.70.75 and 99.83.190.102. Remember to save these changes. Finally, add a CNAME record. Set the host to www and the points to value to proxy SSL. Webflow.com. After saving all your DNS changes in GoDaddy, return to Webflow and click Check Status in your hosting settings. It can take up to 48 hours for these changes to propagate across the internet, so patience is key. Once connected, set your www domain as the default and publish your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.